This is my student support system. Keep watching, keep learning.
What is pleura? Pleura is a covering of the lungs and it is double layered. The pleura consists of a closed sac of serous membrane. It has two layers, the visceral pleura and the parietal pleura. The visceral pleura is adherent to the lungs, covering each lobe and passing into the fissures that separate them. So, this is double layer, and the layer which is attached to the lungs is known as visceral pleura. Here it is in blue color, you can see this is visceral pleura, and the red colored this is parietal pleura, and the space between them is known as pleural cavity. The parietal pleura is adherent to the inside of chest wall and the thoracic surface of the diaphragm. The space between these two layers is called pleural cavity, and this is only potential surface and very less surface area or space and contain no air. In healthy individual, these two layers are separated by a thin film of serous fluid known as pleural fluid, which allow them to glide over each other while the movement of lungs, preventing friction between them during breathing. The serous fluid is secreted by epithelial cells of the pleural membrane.
My student support system. Keep watching, keep learning.